How to install the door controller box. The first thing I'd like you to do is open this box, take the barcode scanner out, and there's a power supply that comes with it. Please plug the power supply into the end of the scanner immediately. We don't want two power supplies floating around, because if you accidentally plug in the power supply for the door controller box into the barcode scanner, you're going to burn the scanner up immediately. So let's plug that power supply in immediately out of the box so it just stays that way. Next, I'd like you to take this box. You can connect a 12-volt power supply to the box. I want you to do this on the front desk. Connect the power supply to the box. The box should come on. The light will probably blink. You're going to connect a Cat 5 cable over here. You don't have to open the box or anything. And then you're going to connect the barcode scanner here and plug in the power supply for the barcode scanner, so everything's plugged in, ready to go. I'd like you to scan a membership card and test it to make sure everything is working. When you scan a member, you should hear the box beep. It might say something, member allowed or whatever, and then you will see a member on your check-in screen pop up in the hold bin. Once we confirm everything is working, we're going to go up into the ceiling by the door. You're going to find the wires to your door lock. We want to cut those wires to whatever they're connected to. They're probably connected to a power supply and a relay maybe. We want to cut those wires, and hopefully there's plenty of room up there that you can, maneuver around and be able to connect it to this. There's terminals in here we're going to connect to. It'll look like this, where it says ground and it says door normally open, door normally closed. We're probably going to use ground and door normally open if you have an electric strike like I have here. But just cut the wires first. We'll do that last. After you cut the wires, you can get the box in the ceiling, set up the power supply. You can connect that so the box is running. That won't harm anything. Then you're going to get a Cat 5 cable, plug it into the box, run that through the ceiling. Now, the current scanner you have is a USB scanner. This is a little larger connector. So you might have to enlarge the hole for the USB for this to get through, the serial connector. When you take the barcode scanner off the wall, you're going to pull the USB, you're going to disconnect it from whatever it's connected to in the ceiling. You're going to pull it down and out the hole. I recommend you connect a string to it so that you pull that string out the hole, and you can connect that string to this so you can pull this back up through the hole into the ceiling. Then you're going to connect the power supply to the barcode scanner up in the ceiling. You're going to have to disconnect it when you pull it through. You'll connect it back up in the ceiling. So then you'll have the barcode connected, barcode scanner, Cat 5 cable, power will be connected. The last things we need to do is connect the two wires, and we'll figure out which terminals they belong to. So we want to test the unit first, installation afterward. Talk to you soon.